Chapter 3, Escape from Cat Hill. Meanwhile,
at last, my evil plan is complete. I just need 2 secret ingredients. Oh, hi, Grandpa. Hi, Big Jim. Grandpa, I'm not Big Jim right now. Remember, I'm Commander Cupcake. Yeah, whatever. Hey, you're not trying to escape again, are you, Grandpa? Leave me alone. But, Grandpa, I gotta warn you that I've reprogrammed the Cupcake exit, so you can't use it to escape. It's very dangerous. Leave me alone, I said. I'll do whatever I want. And there's nothing you can do to stop me. Do you hear me? Nothing. I'm the boss of me, and I make my own decisions.
go on, flip it. You know you want to.
Sorry, Grandpa. I tried to warn you. Only me and my new robot can use to get a Cupcake exit. That cardboard hunk of junk can escape? Well, it could if I could make it work, but I can't. Maybe it just needs a battery. Of course, a battery. Wait here, Grandpa. I'm going to get a battery. You do that.